Hello everyone, this is the lesson 5, Final Consonant Pronunciation Rules. We studied the pronunciation rules for Korean alphabet. So this is a summary for final consonant. So usually this one is pronounced as a G sound, and then this is a double G. But when they use as a final consonant, their pronunciation changes to K sound. And this is usually N sound, but it doesn't change when this one is used as final consonant. So this one is usually D sound, but when it used as a final consonant, it changes to T sound. And then next one is L or R sound, I think between an L and R sound. But when it used as a final consonant, it's changed to L sound. This is usually M sound, it doesn't change. This is usually B sound, it changed to P sound. So for example, if I write like this, so consonant is B, and then vowel is R, and then final consonant is P. So it's a pop, pop. And then this one is usually S, this is usually SS, but it changed to T sound. So if I write like this is at, at, at. And the circle, usually no sound, but when it used as a final consonant, this is NG sound. So this is R, but if we have like this is R and NG, R and NG. So it's the R and NG, ang, 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 ang. So usually this is J sound, but it changed to T sound. This is CH sound usually, but it's changed to T sound. This is K sound, but sorry about this is mistake. So this is K sound. So K sound doesn't change. And then this is T sound. So usually T sound is T sound, of course. This is P sound, no change. This is usually H sound. This is a little bit tricky, but when you use just T sound, double S we did already. It's a change to T sound. So this is a summary. Sorry about mistake here. So you have to change your note here. It's a K to K. So this is the summary for final consonant. Okay. So I'm going to teach you more rules about final consonant pronunciation. These are very important, so please listen carefully. So final consonant moves to next before circle. So what does this mean? The first word is this one. So first character is start with M and R sound, and then G sound. So G sound, but final consonant is K sound. And the next one is E sound, E, or what you can write E. So if I ask you to read, you probably read mak E. So very hard to read. So when you see circle, circle doesn't have any sound. So this circle doesn't have any sound. So what does this circle do? This circle bring up the previous final consonant. So this circle replaced by the previous final consonant. So it's a replace by previous final consonant. So you have to read Moki. Instead of Mok E, you have to read 먹이, 먹이, 먹이. So when you see circle, you have to replace circle with previous final consonant. So next example is same. So this is first character S, and then the vowels A, and then N, and then E. So this is San E, but if I ask the Korean to read this character, we don't read like this because you have to replace circle with the previous final consonant. So you have to read like this. Sani, 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 sani. This is a very important rule. So please remember this. If you read like this, 먹이, sani, if you read like this, your pronunciation is more fluent. Okay, these two words is very famous, very frequently used. Especially this one is very frequently used. So you have to memorize this because this is exception. So see what this is. So first character is G, A, and then T, and then E. So it's cut E. Cut E is very hard to pronounce. Cut E. So we replace the circle with the previous final consonant. So it changed T. Still, it's very hard to pronounce. So it should be like this, but we change this one more step. So this change to, so T sound change to CH sound. So T sound change to CH. So you have to read like this, 같이, 같이, 같이. So just remember this. Just remember this because this is exceptions. This is one of exceptions. So you have to read this one like this, 같이, 같이, 같이. Why? Because you have to replace T sound with E and then it become 같이, but T sound change to CH sound. So 같이, 같이. Similar example here. Had first one is he, H-A-E, and then second one do. This is do, do, and then there's D sound there. So we replace D sound with E. So we have to read 해도 D, but the D sound here changed to J sound. So we read 해도지. 같이 and 해도지 are exceptions. So you have to memorize this. So when you see this, you have to read like this. When you see this, you have to read like this. By the way, this means together. So this is very useful. A lot of times you can see this word. Also, this is 해돋이 means sunrise. Sunrise. So this is exception. So please remember this. 같이 해돋이. Okay. Okay, this is a little bit complicated, but just remember, just summarize this, memorize this, okay? And then next one is more difficult. This one is H sound. H makes neighboring consonant sound stronger. So usually this D and then J sound, they usually make a stronger sound. So what does this mean is this. So first example is this one. So see the H sound here, this is H. This one and this one is same. It's different style of writing. So this is a H mean H sound, H. So you can see H over there, but before H, there's another consonant, final consonant here. So when this final consonant meet with the H sound here, they meet each other. So this H sound make another consonant stronger sound, and this H disappear. Okay, listen again. This H sound meet with another consonant. This H sound disappear, and then make this sound, this consonant is stronger sound. So this is usually B sound, but when this make a strong sound, this become P sound. So it's change because this is a disappear. So this going over here replaced by the previous final consonant. So it's changed to P sound. So this sounds like this. We write this way, but we read like this. Chapida, chapida, chapida. Okay. One more example so you can understand. Second example is this. So this is H sound here. This time H is final consonant, but it doesn't matter. So this is a H sound. Meet with J sound. So they meet each other. So first one is good, doesn't change, and then raw, because this H disappear, disappear, make other consonants stronger sound. So this is J sound, usually J sound, but make a stronger sound is CH sound. So you have to read 그렇지, 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 그렇지. So in Korean language, this is G sound. The stronger sound is K sound. This is D sound, but stronger sound is T sound. This one is usually B sound, but stronger is P sound. So look at this. This time, this is G sound. So G sound here. So B, A, K, and H, A. So this is only like this because this is H go away, disappear, and then bring up the final consonant, but strong sound. So paka, paka. We read paka, paka. Okay. One more time. One more time. This is very important. So also a little bit confusing. So I'll give you one more time. I explain one more time. So this is H. This is H. So H usually disappear. Okay, H go away, and then make other consonant stronger sound. So stronger sound is this is usually J sound. So stronger sound is CH sound. So 그렇지, 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 그렇지. So we write this way, but we read 그렇지, 그렇지, 그렇지. Okay. So in Korean language, this is G sound. Stronger sound is sound, K sound. This is a D sound. This is G and then K. This is a D sound, but it's changed to T sound. And then this is J sound, but CH is stronger sound. So this is normal sound. This is a stronger sound. So G, K, D, T, J, CH. So it's changed like this. So this B sound changed to P sound. This J sound changed to CH sound. G sound change to K sound. Okay, so H makes neighboring consonant sound stronger and disappear. And disappear. Disappears. Okay. So H makes neighboring neighbor consonant sound stronger and disappear. This is important rule. And sometimes you can see double final consonant. So double final consonant is very hard to decide which one should I read. So usually double final consonant usually sound first, one only. So what I'm saying is, if you see this is A and then N, anta. So we don't pronounce J sound. So we only pronounce first final consonant, okay? So this one is same. First one, you have to read first one. 짧다, 짧다, 짧다. Don't worry about B sound over there. 짧다, 짧다, 짧다. And sometimes you have to read second one, but there's not many examples. So this is a beginner class, so I'm going to teach you very basic word. So for example, 읽다, 읽다. This means read. So this word you have to read second one. Okay, 읽다, 읽다. There's more example, but this is a beginner class, so I just teach you very basic ones. If we have more, I will tell you later. Okay. So double final consonant. The basic rule is usually read first one. Okay. So if you are confused, don't worry, just read first one. Okay. And then this is like another exception. So 읽다, 읽다. But more important rule is this. More important rule is this. So you have to be careful. So if there are two double final consonant, so it's followed by circle, you have to read both of them. What does this mean is this. If you have double final consonant like this, and then you have circle here. So what circle does, circle is replaced by previous final consonant. So this circle replaced by this one, previous final consonant, not first one, second one. So this second final consonant going up over there, replaced by the circle. So this one we have to pronounce Olga, 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 Olga. Same with this. So this one is circle, so replaced by the second final consonant. So replaced by this. So this is 삶이, 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 삶이. So you have to pronounce like this. Okay, 삶이, 삶이. This is very important because you can see a lot of word with a circle followed. Okay, so you have to remember this. If you have a circle, you have to bring up the second final consonant. Bring up here. So Olga, 삶이.